Hi students, hope all are fine and safe at your home. The last class we have done an activity for creating a poster on conservation of water. This is an activity in the first chapter using LibreOffice Writer, and we have done this activity by inserting two pictures, inserting a frame and writing text. So in today's class, the students are able to understand the basics of internet. So we will study some of the terms used in internet like web browser, search engine, keyword, etc. So in today's class, I will just give you an introduction about our fifth chapter. Our chapter name is To the World of Information. This is nothing but a study about internet. So you are already familiar with so many terms in internet. So this is very interesting chapter. So in today's class, I will just give you an introduction about the fifth chapter. So we will study three terms in this chapter. The first term is web browser, second is search engines, and the third term is a keyword. What is a keyword? So these are the three terms which we are going to study in today's class, and these three terms are very important for understanding this chapter. So let us start with the first one, web browser. So I have written the definition here. Web browser is a software. It is a software. What is its use? It is used for searching information and pictures. It is used for searching some information and pictures. And how we will get those information? We will get those information in the form of pages, and those pages are known as web pages. Is it clear, my dear students? I will repeat once more. Web browser is a software. What is its use? It is used for searching information and pictures. It is used for searching information and pictures. And how we will get those information and pictures? We will get the information in the form of pages, and those pages are known as web pages. Is it clear, my dear students? Hope all are clear. Here I have written the examples of web browser. The first one is Google Chrome. You all are familiar with the term Google Chrome, and I have given you the image here. You can see it. This is the icon for Google Chrome. The second one is Mozilla Firefox. The second one, here you can see the icon for Mozilla Firefox. And the third example is Microsoft Edge. You can see the symbol for Microsoft Edge here. Okay, so these are the three examples. What is the first one? Google Chrome. Second one Mozilla Firefox, and third one Microsoft Edge. And there are so many other web browsers. These are the most common one which we are using in today. Okay, hope all are clear about web browser. What is the second one? Search engines. Search engines is nothing but it is used for searching the information. Okay, so web browser is a software, and if we are having those software only, we can use search engines, because search engine is coming inside web browser. Okay, so search engines are also used for searching informations. We will discuss more details in next classes, but in today's class we will study some of the examples. So you are all familiar with Google search engine, right? Also you will be familiar with Yahoo search engine. These two you may be familiar. And the third one is Bing. This is also an example for search engine. So I repeat, search engine is nothing but it is used for searching informations. So I have already told you a point. If you are having web browser only, you can use search engine. That means search engines are coming inside web browser. Okay, so the examples of search engines are Google, Yahoo and Bing. Okay, my dear students, now we'll move to the next term. It's nothing but keyword, and I have written here two keywords. One is camel and one is desert. So I'll explain. So what do you mean by a keyword? Suppose if you want to search a detail about camels, if you want to know some details about camels, then what you will search in the search box? Yes, you will type camel, right? So that typing word camel is known as a keyword. Suppose if you want to search something about desert, if you want to know something about some details about desert, then what you will type in the search box? Yes, desert. So that word is known as a keyword. I repeat, if you want to know something about camel, so in the search box you will type which word? Yes, camel. And that word camel is known as a keyword. Suppose if you want to search or if you want to know some details about desert, then what you will type in the search box? Yes, you will type the word desert, and that word is known as a keyword. All of you understood? So hope all are clear about these three terms. What is the first one? Web browser. It is a software. It is a software. What is its use? It is used for searching information and pictures. And how we will get those information and pictures? We will get the information and pictures in the form of pages, and those pages are known as web pages. Examples are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge. Study the example, it is very important. What do you mean by search engine? It is nothing but for searching the information. Okay, the examples are Google search engine, Yahoo search engine and Bing search engine. And one more point is that search engines are coming inside web browser. Okay, and the third term is keyword. Keyword is nothing but the word which we are using for searching something. Okay, so suppose if you want to know the details of a desert, then what we will do? We will type desert in the search box, and that word is known as keyword. Suppose if you want to know the details of a camel, then in the search box we will type the word camel, and that word is known as keyword. So this is all about today's class. I have given you just an introduction about the basic important terms which we are using in internet: web browser, search engine, and keyword. So hope all are clear about today's class. Thank you very much, my dear students. So we have studied the three important terms: web browser, search engine, and keyword. So web browser is nothing but a software which is used to search the information and pictures in the form of what? In the form of pages, and not that pages are known as web pages. The second one is search engine. I have shown you three examples: Google, Yahoo, and Bing. And what do you mean by a keyword? Suppose if you want to search for some information, we will type a word, and that word is known as keyword.